Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add ClickUp tasks from new Google Forms responses. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Forms, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To automatically add ClickUp tasks from new Google Forms responses, we need to use third-party automation tool that connects Google Forms with ClickUp. But the first thing is, I need you to log into your Google Form account. Then once you are logged in, we need to create the Google Form we want to use for collecting responses. All right. This form could include fields like maybe this one, like name, email, description of the task, priority, due date. I'm gonna put it something like this one. All right, so this is gonna be the form. And of course, you can put in the name. Let's say this is gonna be this. We can put in some image here to make it more interactive. You can be creative and no one is limiting you. All right. Now, once you're happy with that, all I have to do is click on save or send. Okay. Now we're going to save this for now, and we're switching over to two different platforms that we can use to automate the ClickUp tasks and the Google Forms responses. One way is using Zapier. Now, we can create ClickUp tasks from new Google Forms responses. I'm going to log into my account. Now, once you're logged into your Zapier account, I'm going to rename this app as adding ClickUp tasks from new Google Forms. Now, if you are a fan of Deep Labs channel, you know that we have so many Zapier tutorials for you guys. And if you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you get updates from our daily content. All right, we are here to give you solutions to solve your problems quickly. All right, I'm switching over now to the Zapier, wherein the first thing that we need to do is go to the Google Forms and choose an event. For example, it triggers when a new form response is received, or maybe triggers when a new form response is added or modified. I'm going to choose the first one. Just log in your account. And from here, just authorize both of these apps. Just wait for it, it'll load a little bit. And from here, just click on continue. You just choose the value for this one. I'm going to click that, click on continue. And of course, you can simply test the trigger once it's successful to activate the information. Now, from now on, every time someone submits a response via the Google form, a new task will automatically be created in ClickUp, right? Just click on with the selected continue, and now on the ClickUp, for example, it creates a new list right here. Just click on continue, choose the workspace, and that's going to be Deep Labs how-to tutorials. Just wait for it a little bit. Now on this, I'm going to choose the space, and that's going to be Deep Labs. The folder is, I don't know, just select the projects. List name is, you can choose a template that you wanted. List name is going to be this. Priority is kind of like not really urgent, like normal. Enter due date. That's going to be maybe, just click on continue. Make sure that the trigger is correct. And test the step. You can now sit back and relax because Zapier will do all of the work for you. Okay, click on publish, and that's that. All right, this is one of the best way for you to automate your ClickUp tasks for new Google Forms responses. Now, the next option that we are going to use is, now we are going to use the Make.com platform, wherein we can connect ClickUp and Google Forms integrations. These are some samples. For example, for trigger, you can choose it triggers when a specific folder event happens. And of course, you just have to choose on the Google form. For example, it appends a new response, or maybe it creates a new Google form responses. All right, create a form, not Google Sheets. Create a form, and all they have to do is click on Get Started. You can also swap the apps if you want to experiment and have more controls over the integrations. I'm going to log in to test this out. Now, if you haven't already, you might want to create your account here in Make.com. It's free and it's very easy to set up. Now, as you can see, all you have to do is you have this button here to click by running it once. But if there's going to be a small error like this one, you need to set up the module. All right. It's very easy. Don't worry, because it doesn't require you a tech savviness or technical expertise, because on the Clickup, just click on that and choose a hook or webhook. Just follow along and click on OK. It's really simple. Now, on the Google Forms, click on that and you just have to choose an account. All right. In this case, that's going to be my T-Plans. I'm going to sign in and authorize the apps so they can work together. Just wait for it and just follow the on-screen prompts. Now, here, the title could be something like document title, description. So it's all up to you. I'm just putting in some information, random data here. But the idea is that click on OK. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click Run Once. Now, automating the transition from Google Form submission to task creation in Clickup ensures that no request is overlooked, allowing for quicker responses and faster task resolution. This can lead to better customer satisfaction or improved team performance. Because as we all know, Google Forms is a free tool, especially if you like working with the Google ecosystem. Integrating it with Clickup allows small businesses, teams, or individuals to create an efficient ticketing or task management system without requiring extensive or expensive third-party solutions. And I find it very useful for task creation from Google Forms responses in Clickup. You can boost efficiency, improve task tracking, and enhance overall team productivity. All right, so there are, of course, again, two platforms. One is from Make.com and the other is in Zapier. As we all know, Google Forms are easier for clients, customers, or team members to use when submitting requests or feedbacks. You can provide a user-friendly way for external clients to communicate while keeping internal processes very efficient. All right? Now, this is going to be useful if you are working with multiple team members, because you can now collect information from external clients or customers through the Google Forms and immediately turn those responses into actionable tasks here in Clickup. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.